Would you rather have $50,000 given to you today or $8,000 given to you every single month? If you came for the $8,000, then you came to the right video. Hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 high CPM niches and channel examples in 2023 and beyond to get started with today. And I'm even going to show you how much each one of these channels is specifically earning. So, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Now, the very first channel right here is called Across the Globe. Now, this channel is in the financial niche because they make videos like the best places to live or retire comfortably in Mexico or countries that will pay you to live there. So, they're talking about finance, which is the general niche, and then they're talking about retirement planning, which is the sub-niche. So, this is one of the highest CPM niches on YouTube because advertisers like big banks, brokerage firms, Robinhood, Coinbase, they love advertising in front of these videos because people who watch them have access to credit and capital and they're a little bit older. So, they're willing to spend money, invest money, and so forth. That's why advertisers spend top dollars on channels like this. Now, if we take a look at Social Blade, this is a great tool to kind of guesstimate how much these channels are earning. Now, we have clients and I have channels in every single one of these niches, so I know the rough estimation of how much they're earning per 1,000 views. Now, it says they're earning about $7.5 thousand per month. They're getting about 50 to 100,000 views per day, and Social Blade says that the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. So, we know this number right here is absolutely wrong. They are making upwards of $30 to $40 per 1,000 views. So, I could safely estimate. I'll just multiply this by 10, and that's closer to what they're making per month. So, they're making about $80,000 a month or over $1 million per year from this channel right here without ever uploading a video, filming a video, or editing a video themselves. Okay, so this is a great channel to get started with little to no competition. So, imagine this channel started about 3 years ago into 2020, and they're already making $1 million a year. So, pretty crazy, right? Just imagine yourself starting a YouTube automation channel. What would you do if in the next 3 years, you knew that you were going to make $1 million from your channel? Would you start today? Well, if the answer is yes, then go ahead and get started. This is one niche. Now, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to show you multiple niches to get started in. Now, this one right here is called Crypto Hype Daily Crypto News. They have about 124,000 subscribers, and they're just doing videos on altcoins. So, that is a sub-niche of cryptocurrency and finance. So, very high CPM niches of right now, not the highest because a lot of crypto advertisers pulled off YouTube back in the bear market. Now we're approaching a new bull market, so this is a great time to get started with crypto channels. Now, it says they're earning about $2,000 per month. Obviously, that's completely wrong. They're earning closer to because they're in the AI make money online niche. They're getting about 25 CPMs, $25 to $30. So, they're earning about 5 times more than that. So, they're earning about, let's just say, 25 or 2,500 to 3,000 per month in passive income. Obviously, these videos can be outsourced to offshore contractors and pennies on the dollar to make videos like this. Okay, so again, 4,000 a month on the low end. When the crypto market picks back up, they're probably going to be making closer to 10,000 a month in passive income. Now let's move on to the third channel, which is in the cryptocurrency niche. This one's called Encash Official. They're making videos on Ripple, kind of the thing that's going on with that crypto, and then other cryptos as well. If you take a look at Social Blade, it says they're making about 4.7 thousand per month. Obviously, they're earning a 16 CPM, so we can multiply this by 4. So right now, they're earning about $16,000 per month or over $100,000 per year from this channel right here. Totally faceless, and this is an easy channel to get started with. They only started this channel about 2 years ago, and they're already making 6 figures from this channel right here. If you went to college for 4 years, you're still not going to make 6 figures right out of college most of the time. 95% of people do not make 6 figures out of college. They make somewhere around 40 to 60,000. So, this is crazy. In 2 years, no college degree, just education online, they were able to clear a 6-figure income from just this one channel. They might have multiple channels, so this is a great channel to get started with. This is the third channel. Let's move on to the fourth, which is in the artificial intelligence niche. This is called Quirky Quests. They're talking about how to make money with AI, artificial intelligence. They've only uploaded a few videos, but they've gotten mega viral. 3.5 thousand views on their second upload. Okay, now this channel, as Social Blade states, is earning about $360 per month. Now, which is pretty crazy. I mean, considering that that's absolutely wrong, they're earning closer to, because this is in the AI make money online niche. They're getting about 25 CPMs, $25 to $30. So, they're earning about 5 times more than that. So, they're earning about, let's just say 25 or 2,500 to 3,000 per month, and they've only uploaded about 6 videos. Okay, so these 6 videos probably cost them a total of, let's just say, $150 to make, and they've already made about 3,000 back. Okay, so you can see the returns you can get here with YouTube automation. Alright, now let's move on to the last channel. This one is called Cash Pro, pretty cool channel in the make money online niche. And as you can see on Social Blade, it says they're earning $439 per month. We know the CPMs in this niche are $25 to $30, sometimes higher. But I'm just going to guesstimate in the 25 range, so we can multiply this by 5. And again, they're earning about $6,000 to $7,000 per month in passive income. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.